Letter S. Learn to print the uppercase and lowercase letter S. We will talk about the sound that S makes. S, like in sock. Hello everyone. Can I get a great big smile? Show me your smile. S. Smile begins with the sound S. Today we're going to talk about the letter S. And kids love the letter S because the letter S is so much fun to write and it's fun to make the sound. So let's start by making the sound, okay? S makes the sound S, like in sock. Can you say S, like in sock? S. Wonderful. Give yourself a silent cheer. Okay, now we're going to practice writing the letter S. Letter S is so much fun to write. And the uppercase S is exactly the same as the lowercase s. The only thing is that it's smaller. Okay, so just remember, lowercase s is smaller, but it's exactly the same. Let's start with the capital letter S. You start up here and you curve around and curve the other way. So there's our uppercase S, silly S, and S, these slippery snakes, twisty, turny, ready to shake. And we're ready to make the lowercase s. So it's exactly the same, except that you are only using the bottom part of the line. Remember, we've talked about with the lowercase or small letters, you don't use the top part of the line here, you use the bottom part, okay? So here we go. S, lowercase s. So they are looking exactly the same, just smaller over here. Okay, practice making it in the air 2 times and we'll say the sound that it makes. Ready? S, 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 s. Okay, put on your glasses or your binoculars and I want you to look over here. What do you see? C that begins with the letter S. Do you know what this is called? This is something that farmers put in their field to scare away the birds. This is called a scarecrow. Can you say scarecrow? Scarecrow. All right, and over here we have something else that begins with the letter S. This is the sun. Say sun. Sun. Super. You're doing a great job. Okay, now I have a sock here, which I've already shown you. And inside of my sock, I have some things that begin with the letter S, but some things do not begin with the letter S. So when I pull the things out of the sock, if it starts with the letter S, I want you to say the sound S. If it does not start with the letter S, then go like this. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first thing is strawberry. That's right, strawberry begins with the letter S. Okay, now I have a picture of some soup. Soup begins with the letter S. What else do I have inside of this sock? I have pizza. Does pizza begin with the letter S? No, pizza does not begin with the letter S. What else can I find in my sock? A key. Does a key begin with the letter S? No, key does not begin with the letter S. Okay, what else do we have here? We have the number 6. 6. Very good. And we also have another number that starts with S. What number is this? This is 7. 7. And I have a saw. Saw begins with S. Few more things. Let's see. Sun. We already know from up here, we've seen the picture of the sun. And how about this? Seal. Yes, that's right. Seal begins with the letter S. I have a doll. No, Doll does not begin with S. How about a sink? S. That's right. Sink begins with S. And last of all, I have some bananas. No, bananas does not begin with the letter S. Okay, I have a few more things to show you that you would find in your house or in your classroom before I go. So you're probably going to find these in your classroom or in your house. What are these called? These are called scissors. Scissors begins with S. Scissors. How about this? Do you know what's inside of here? If I press this down, out will come some soap. Soap begins with S. Soap. And this is a small one. This is actually called a stapler. So I'm going to staple something together just to show you. So here's the number 6. I'm going to staple the number 6 to this white piece of paper. Okay, so that is a staple, staple, and this is a stapler. Okay, let's practice S one more time. Ready? Get your pointing fingers, magic pointing fingers up in the air. S, and the small S. S. I would like you to catch a star. Another word that starts with S. Pretend you're catching a star. Catch a star in the sky and give it to yourself because you have earned it. I have made myself a sandwich, so I'm going to go and eat my sandwich, and I will see you later. Bye.